How to add your Gmail account to iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I will show you how you could very easily add a Gmail or your Google account to iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the process to add a Gmail account on your iPad is almost as similar as you do it on Android and iPhone devices. Otherwise, what you could do is, the very first thing you could do is you could actually open up the default Mail app on your iPad. So open up your default Mail app, and over here you simply want to select the option which says Google. As soon as you select Google, let's say for example, you simply need to enter the password and the email of your Google account. So I will go ahead and select continue, which you see as I select continue, you can see it says me to actually log into one of my accounts if I've already added it. Let's say I simply want to select any of the accounts which are on my iPad. It basically says this iOS wants to access my Google account. I would need to tap on the allow button in order to add that particular Google account to my mailing list. And right over here you also want to make sure that the mail is turned on. Once the toggle is turned on, tap on the save button which you see at the very top right corner of the screen, and this is basically the first way to do it. The other way to add a Gmail account is that you can actually download the Gmail app from your iPad itself. So I will go ahead and then simply open up the App Store. Once you open up your App Store, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Right on top on the search box, you simply want to type in Gmail. Keep in mind that as I did earlier, you do not necessarily need the Gmail app, but if this is convenient for you, then you could go ahead and simply download Gmail and then log into your Google account. And hopefully this answered your question. These were the two ways on how you could add Gmail account to your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.